Have you heard of Sherman? It's a small town in North Texas with a big secret, a world of outdoor adventures, community events, and family friendly fun just waiting to be discovered. So, if you've ever said there's nothing to do in Sherman, I'm here to prove you wrong. Whether you live here or just passing through, these 12 unforgettable activities will turn your ordinary summer into a season to remember. I'm Amanda Phillips, a local realtor, and your connection to the Sherman community. If you're looking to buy, sell, or are relocating to Sherman, let's connect. All my contact info is in the description below. Grab your sunscreen, lace up your sneakers, and let's take a tour of the best things to do in Sherman this summer, starting with a park that's in the heart of the city, Fairview Park. Fairview, a local favorite and one of Sherman's largest and most dynamic parks, set beneath a canopy of mature trees. This park features a paved walking trail that loops the entire space, perfect for early morning jogs, evening strolls, or walking the dog. And speaking of dogs, Fairview is home to a fenced-in dog park with separate areas for small and large breeds. There's even agility equipment so your pups can get in a workout too. Need to cool off? You'll love Splash Aquatic Center. Open daily from Memorial Day weekend through mid-August for just $5, you can get an all-day access to water slides, diving boards, a splash pad for little ones, and plenty of shaded seating for parents. Fairview has also gotten some fantastic upgrades recently, including a brand new playground with modern equipment kids go crazy for. Add to that, pickleball courts open until midnight, a full-size basketball court, and rentable athletic fields. You've got a one-stop shop for summer fun. Next up, Pecan Grove West, an action-packed park on Sherman's west side just off of Heritage Parkway. This park is best known for its 18-hole disc golf course, highly rated by players across North Texas. The course winds through hills, wooded areas, and even crosses water, offering a challenge for all skill levels. For the little ones, there's a shaded playground and multiple covered pavilions available for rent, perfect for birthday parties or afternoon cookouts. Nearby, you'll find Dean Gilbert Lake, with its fishing dock and scenic gazebos for relaxing by the water. And this park is also home to a large amphitheater, the site for one of Sherman's biggest summer events, Lights on the Lake, but we'll get to that in just a minute. Directly across from west is the smaller but just as charming Pecan Grove East Park. This cozy park now features a newly updated playground that's great for toddlers and young kids. It's peaceful, walkable, and the perfect spot for a morning coffee stroll or letting your little ones play safely in a quieter setting. Now let's talk Binkley Park, an absolute paradise for outdoor explorers and mountain bikers. Hidden among the trees near Sorey Elementary, Binkley has miles of rugged biking trails with technical turns, elevation changes, and plenty of adrenaline-pumping features. It's one of the best-kept secrets for mountain biking in this part of Texas. Even if you're not a biker, you can still hike the trails and enjoy the views. And if you haven't been in a while, they've added a paved pump track, giving riders of all ages a smooth, rolling circuit to practice skills and have fun. Binkley is a park you could easily spend the entire day at and not get bored. On the east side of town is Hawn Park, offering 20 acres of fun in Sherman. There's an awesome skate park, which was renovated in 2018, and a spray ground that's ideal for those steamy Texas afternoons. Add in the updated playground equipment and a covered pavilion for shade, and you've got a perfect park for kids of all ages. Recently, the City Council approved 2 futsal courts with lighting at Hawn Park. Along with 2 futsal courts, the project includes lighting, restrooms, and additional parking. The design process is expected to continue until late 2025, with construction slated to begin immediately thereafter. The anticipated completion date for the courts is projected for the summer of 2026. Next up, the hidden gem known as Herman Park. Set on 83 acres, this park is one of the most scenic spots in Sherman. A large portion of the space surrounds Pecan's Lake, which has a looped nature trail for walking, jogging, or bird watching. The dam here turns into a winter sledding hill when snow falls. Yes, snow does happen in Texas. Mature trees, quiet trails, and local wildlife make this park feel like it's a little forest escape without ever leaving the city limits. Now, back to Lights on the Lake, one of the biggest events of the summer that happens at Pecan Grove West. Lights on the Lake is Sherman's 4th of July celebration. Picture this: live music, food trucks, picnic blankets, and an epic fireworks display lighting up the sky. This year's headliner? Stone Temple Pilots. So yeah, get there early, bring your lawn chairs, and prepare for an unforgettable night. Love baseball? You'll want to catch a game with the Sherman ShadowCats, our very own semi-professional team. They play all summer at Veterans Field inside Fairview Park. The atmosphere is relaxed, tickets are affordable, and the beer barn seats in left field? Chef's kiss. It's the perfect low-key date night or family evening out. If you're looking for kids' activities, Sherman Parks and Recreation offers a packed summer lineup. They've got sports camps in soccer, basketball, and baseball, plus family events like movies in the park, popsicles in the park, and more. Follow them on Facebook or check their website for the full summer calendar. Now, let's switch gears to downtown Sherman, a charming, walkable district with tons to see and do. Need some pampering? Book a mani-pedi or spend the afternoon in a full-day spa. Feeling adventurous? Try an escape room or drop in for a pottery class. From food festivals to local markets and street music nights, there's always something happening. And when it's time to eat, you've got options for every meal, and then some. Coffee shops, wine bars, breakfast diners, and bistros galore. Another summer tradition? Hot Summer Nights, Sherman's free summer concert series. Held downtown on the municipal lawn, this concert series features a mix of local legends and national acts. Bring your lawn chair and your favorite snacks and your dancing shoes. It's a vibe and it's totally free. And last but definitely not least, the Sherman Public Library. This isn't just a place to check out books. It's a community hub with weekly events for all ages. Kids can enjoy story time, craft days, and coding camps, while adults get book clubs, game nights, and creative workshops. It's educational, fun, and completely free. What's not to love? 12 unforgettable things to do in Sherman, Texas this summer. From outdoor adventures and relaxing parks to concerts, baseball games, and local events. There's always something to do here. If you found a new favorite spot, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with what you're most excited to try. And if you think we missed something, let us know. We might feature it in the next video. Let's make this summer one to remember.